Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can change the icon of any shortcut on your desktop. Right now I have this WhatsApp, which is not exactly WhatsApp. I changed the icon. So how you can do that is right click on it, just go to properties. After going to properties, you'll see something called change icon. When we click on that, you can just browse any kind of image, but the image I have to follow some kind of thing, which is the ICO. You have to get this extension to make it your icon, guys. You can't use IMG or something. So how you can do that is by just going to Google and typing here PNG to ICO converter. So when we do that, you'll see the cloud convert website and you can just select your file, and if it is PNG you can convert it to ICO. If it is not PNG, if it is JPG or something, you can just use that by going to image, and these are all the image types, guys, which you can use to convert it to ICO. After converting it to ICO, you can just right click on it, properties, and then change icon. Then you can browse the ICO file. And let me tell you guys, you can't change the icon of an actual file. You know what I mean by that is this. Right now this is the exe file of my Python program, which just when I open it, it just changes the wallpaper of my PC by getting the wallpaper from a free image website. This is a program I've created. Whenever I press it, it will just do that. So right now if I want to change the icon of this, so I just go to properties, then I will not see change icon option here. As you guys can see, there is no option to change the icon here. So what I can do is I can just right click on it and copy it somewhere else, right, like in the folder or something. Then what I can do is I can just make it as a shortcut. So let me tell you how I can do that. I'll just go to tools, paste it on the tools, and then right click on it. Then I'll just go to send to desktop, create shortcut, and right now this is the shortcut of wallpaper file. Now I can change the icon of this particular file. So right now I will just go to properties, then I can just change the icon by browsing it, and I'll choose the icon of my choice right now. So yeah guys, this is how you can do that. This is how you can change the icon of any shortcut on Windows 11. If it is not working, then you know what to do, because if it is an actual executable or file or something, you can't change the icon of that. You can just make a shortcut of that, then change the icon of that. I think you guys understood the video. Thanks for watching this video, guys.